How to redeem Victoria's Secret gift card. For this, open a browser and search for www.victoriasecret.com. Now once you do that, wait for you to be redirected to their official web page. First and foremost, make sure you are logged into your Victoria's Secret account. Now once you are here, go ahead and select a category of any item that you want to purchase. For the sake of this video, I'll be selecting the option of beauty. Select a subcategory and select an item that you want to purchase. Now for an example, I'm selecting this item right here. Now wait for it to load. Scroll down and you will see the option of Add to Bank. Tap on Add to Bank. Now tap on Checkout if you are done shopping. Then again tap on the Checkout option at the bottom of this page also. Then you have to go ahead and fill out this form regarding your necessary information and also your billing address and your contact information. I have quickly filled out this for you. Now once you have tapped on continue on the second form, you can add offer codes. If you have a gift card, you have to tap on use a gift card right here. Then you have to scratch up the metallic cover and enter the gift card number and PIN which is available in the back of your gift card. Simply tap on apply and just like that you'll be able to redeem your Victoria's Secret gift card. Isn't it simple? Go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for watching.